Hi everyone, let's talk about polyrhythms at the piano and what they are and why you need to learn them. Now if you've ever played a piece like this, What a Wonderful World, you have this very strange rhythm of 2 against 3. You have triplets going on in the left hand, and in the right hand you have straight eighth notes. So you have 3 against 2. I'm taking a beat and I'm dividing it into 3s on one side, I'm dividing it into 2s on the other side. So this sounds like, let's just take this measure and repeat it. The notes don't come exactly together. They're a little bit off. And this happens all the time in piano music because we have those different independent melodies and accompaniments going on. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to work on developing 3 against 2. So this is where we have the triplets, triplet, 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 and in the right hand or in the other hand, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we're going to work on that 3 against 2 rhythm. And here's how it works. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 fingers, just our second fingers, and put them on C and C. And I'm going to just say together, left, right, left, together, left, right, left, together, left, right, left, together, left, right, left. Once you've got that going, see if you can make it even faster. Together, left, right, left, together, left, right, left, together, left, right, left, together, left, right, left. Now the amazing thing about this is you'll notice that each hand is playing a consistent, steady rhythm. The left hand is playing, and the right hand is playing, and together, each hand is completely even. That's the thing to watch. Together, left, right, left, together, left, right, left. Or you can say the rhythm, nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea. Okay, so that's 3 against 2, but what if I wanted to do something even more complicated, like 3 against 4? This happens occasionally too, and it's, I would say, substantially trickier, but don't worry, I'm going to give you a similar rhythm that'll help you to get this down as well. So here's how it works. We're going to be playing 4 in the left hand, dividing the left hand into 4s and the right hand into 3s. So it sounds like this. And the sentence that you can use to remember this rhythm is, and I'm going to have to modify this slightly from the one I learned for YouTube purposes and say, pass the gall darn butter. We used to not say gall darn, we'd say something else, but that you can imagine. Pass the gall darn butter, pass the gall darn butter. And it's in this order. Pass the gall darn butter, pass the gall darn butter, pass the gall darn butter, pass the gall darn butter. Once you've got that going on, you can speed it up a little bit. Pass the gall darn butter, pass the gall darn butter. And one more thing that you can try for both of these rhythms, which is a great idea, is not to just do it in one hand, but to reverse the hands as well. So we have, for example, for the 2 against 3, before we were doing nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea. Let's reverse that so we go nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea. So I'm doing together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right. And then applying that also to the 3 against 4 and saying, pass the gall darn butter, pass the gall darn butter, pass the gall darn butter, where my 4s are coming in the right hand. Pass, and then right again, the gall darn butter. Pass the gall darn butter. So those are 2 of the most common polyrhythms that you find in piano music. I hope this video has helped, and if you're looking for a comprehensive piano course that will take you from beginner through advanced, check out my online course, petersonpianoacademy.com. I'll see you soon.